All right, we're coming back on the air. We are now under a tornado watch for Oklahoma, parts of West Oklahoma and Kansas. And we're going to have to keep an eye out for that right now. So I'm back on the air. And I will be watching it right now. So
severe thunderstorm was located over Oshaleta, moving southeast at 35 miles per hour. Expected hazards include 60 miles per hour wind gusts and penny-sized hail. This is a radar-indicated threat. The following impacts are expected. Expect damage to roofs, siding, and trees. Locations in or near the path include Claremore, Owosso, Skiatook, Collinsville, Chelsea, Barnesville, Billigal, Ramona, Oshaleta, Foyle, Avant, Talala, Vera, Ortova, Tallet, Bushy Head, Walco. This includes Interstate 44 between mile markers 243 and 252. Remain alert for a possible tornado. Tornadoes can develop quickly from severe thunderstorms. If you spot a tornado, go at once into the basement or small central room in a sturdy structure. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building. A tornado watch remains in effect until 10 p.m. Central Daylight Time for northeastern Oklahoma.
All right, so we have a severe thunderstorm warning that has been issued, and this is this storm has pretty much cycle. So this is that severe thunderstorm warning that was issued in Osage. Now that became a severe thunderstorm warning once again. So that is for this county. It's moving to for the following counties. This is for Rogers, Osage County again, Washington County, Nowata County, and Tulsa County as well, including Claremore. So this is that someone claimed that that could be a tornado right here that could be forming. So let's go look at the velocity. So this is the velocity what it's doing right now. We have been getting reports that is a tornado that could be possibly forming right now. We have to get hopefully if there's any cameras nearby, and that might be moving to Ramo, Oklahoma. And then if this becomes a tornado warning, this will go for very likely to Ramo, Talladega, Collinsville, and Claremore, and along with these cities right here as well. If that will become a tornado warning, because I don't think Barnesville and is pretty much out of this at this moment, because they're not even close to being in a tornado warning. We also maybe possible of a tornado warning as of right now. And well, we also want to go out and look at this severe weather, this severe thunderstorm warning that has just been reissued. Check the velocity. It is just shifting just back to Kansas. We also have these line of storm as well, but right now we have the storm to deal with, because we have this, and then we also have these line of storms that's can be predicted. We also check out this one right now that storms can be been increasing quite a few times. And we also have this one, but right northwest of Bristow. So let's play this radar image and see what this will be moving to. So it is just shifting southeast. We're not going to be having any bad weather anytime soon. So except for this part of this town, this part of area for those 4 counties. So we also have that still going on. We also had that one tornado warning that has been issued, and that'll be expiring in 5 minutes, which that's in Wisconsin right here. So right now that is that tornado warning right now. We also have that considerable severe thunderstorm warnings right now. So well, right now we're going to focus on this one for the time being. We're checking out that that line of stuff. So far, there's been no reports of funnel clouds have been reported. So we want to check out that and see what's
According to radar, this is not. There is a.
That is a lot of lowering
There's
clouds right now. That is definitely a lot of lowering clouds that we're seeing right now, as of right now. So that is something that we have to be watching, to looking after for. So we still want to see. So let's see what this guy said. So I am not seeing anything. So he is also a spotter. I'm actually gonna give him a call. Let's see if he might answer. Hey, I'm looking at the video. I'm this is also 2001, and I'm doing some severe weather coverage. I'm just looking at it. That is some lowering clouds, right? I do see it. I do see it on my side. And I just saw that lightning that just stroke. The weather wise, I'm watching on the weather wise, and then I looking at it right now and look at that rotation, and I'm looking at the velocity that is between uh, uh, Ramonona and if I'm saying that right, I'm not good with pronunciations. So, uh, alrighty. Well, I live in Broken Arrow, and it has been humid in Broken Arrow. I having no winds at whatsoever. I was doing some errands earlier, and then there's been flies everywhere. I mean, something's not right. Something doesn't seem right. Okay. Hey, well, thanks for the call. Thanks for answering. Be safe. Bye bye. So I just got done talking, and Taylor Woodall, he was doing the Storm Chaser that we just saw earlier. So yeah, he said there's been some reports of lowering that you just saw earlier. So that is, I'm very surprised. It hasn't been called out for of a tornado. And just looking at it, it was getting range wrapped. So if you try to get out, do not try to get out and go look for it, because it's going to get range. It's going to be range wrapped in these areas, because these are pretty significant storms that are getting ready to come towards you. So that's going to be moving to Ramonona, Ulaga, um, um, Ulaga, Collinsville, Claremore, and Bushy Head, and Florida for those following cities in the area. So pull out the map and pull out the information. So the Claremore, Skyjug, Collinsville, and Justice and Bushy Head, Ulaga, and at least 110,000 people will be affected for that storm that will be expiring in 45 minutes. So that's going to be just a thing to watch. So right now I am now picking up some wind speeds, and then my barometer pressure is falling, and the temperatures are falling, the humidity is up. All those ingredients, that could be, I could be getting some bad weather in parts of South South Tulsa into Broken Arrow, that it would be happening in the near future. Right now, we are under a tornado watch until 10 o'clock. I don't see why we would not be under a tornado watch because they're supposed to be, these storms are supposed to be rolling out around 5 o'clock. But this is Oklahoma weather because, right now, right now, right now, because we got this potential storm that might be moving towards here at that time. So right now, good news is we're still not under a tornado warning at this moment. Again, earlier, like I was telling you, I did spoke with Taylor, this guy right here, Taylor Woodall. That he said that there has been some lowering at that moment. And I pull out that video. So look, this is what it looks like right now. This is raindrop right now at that time. So this is what it looks like right now. You cannot even see the funnel or the storms right now. So again, please do not try to get out and go look for it because you're not going to be able to find it. Otherwise, you can get rained, and they're looking at possible of a little bit of a hail that is showing indication at 60 miles per hour winds. So right now, the intensity score is sitting at 101. So we're definitely going on live right now at that time. So so let's look at Bargersville. I want to go look at the Skycam in Bargersville. It's not as bad. It's a little bit not bad compared to what you saw earlier. So that tornado thread that's showing that possible tornado is not showing at this moment. So we're not seeing anything more of that tornado threat. But that doesn't mean anything because we still had that little bit of that rotation that is still being played. So let me go play that. So there was that possible spin up, and it went away just now. So that is still so maybe that's a good sign. Maybe that's gonna be starting awakening at this moment. And then right now we still have that flood warning that was going. We had that flood warning right here that finally was finally to be expired. We also had this flood warning that is going just been issued. Will be expiring in an hour. Not an hour, in 24 hours. So. And then we got that severe thunderstorm warning that goes on in the next 40 minutes, in which that'll be expiring right now. So we have more. We have 16 severe thunderstorm warnings and 3 flash flood warnings that is in effect right now at that time. So we still have a little bit ways to go for tonight. So right now. So right now, this just now been issued a severe thunderstorm watch, and that'll be expiring in 7 hours. So we're looking at also at 11 o'clock tonight, which also parts of Oklahoma are under a severe thunderstorm watch at this moment. So. So right now we're down. We only had 16 severe thunderstorm warnings and 3 flash flood warnings, including this severe thunderstorm warning that has been issued right now. So he's just driving right now. He's not getting anything at this moment. So that's really good news that there has not been that has not been a that has not been issued a tornado warning at this moment. So let's go back and look and what's happening right now. So look at this storm right here. That has been increasing a lot. All right, we got alert that there was a flash flood warning that was just been that has just been issued. Flash flood advisory. That is going on right now. So there's been some heavy rainfall. And then this storm is really weakening right now.
Excuse me? You're getting wrong. Put these on. Show me your book. I'm just going to take a picture of it. And then it's going to read it to you.
Much for becoming a slight risker. It is absolutely pouring out there in Ramona, Oklahoma. That's going to be going down towards Clear. Somebody's on. I've got storm chasers on the storm out here. It's Chris. Big time storm out there. We're talking about 1.25-inch hail, 60-mile-per-hour winds. Brandon Montgomery's on that right now. Can't really see anything on it though, at least not yet. But we've got a bunch of storm chasers out here, and we're going to be able to keep up with all of this as the storms continue to move east into the Woodland area, all the way down there into maybe close to the
All right, well, I'm gonna take a little bit of a break and get something to drink. I'll be right back in just a moment. All right.
Yeah, it is. It's the best right around. And you can't put your dollar on that if you don't have it. So what are you doing? What are you doing?
All right. Well, so I'm just getting alert that my lightning detecting has starting to go. It went off again about 4 minutes ago. So yeah, I've been getting some lightning that's moving into possible in Broken Arrow. So I'm guessing this may be the lightning. So let me pull out, see if I can measure it. Is this the way to measure it? It may be those storms that's in that's moving this way because it'll make perfect sense because that's where I'm at right now. So yeah, my lightning is going off right now. And then this is really weakening. So this storm has pretty much been dissipated. Because I'm not seeing any rotations for that cells, supercells. So yeah, I'm getting lightning detecting right now. All right, so we got a considerable severe thunderstorm warning that has been issued. So look at this cell that has been upgraded to a considerable severe thunderstorm warning for this area. This is for North Beaver County, Oklahoma. 2,400 people will be affected. Including Beaver, Oklahoma, for the following 6 cities. So if you're in those areas, you need to get inside and take shelters. So 2 inches of hail and 60 miles per hour. Winds. If you're caught in it, you maybe could be a result injury. So checking out the storm chaser. So that so we're looking at it here right now. So I'm not seeing anything big because it's not under severe of a tornado. And then let's go look at the velocity on that one as well. So let's go right here. And there's a little bit of a rotation. So let's play that image. So that's a little bit of a rotation. That is being played right now. We also have this storm chaser. So we got some storm chasers. Whoa, 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 whoa. Look at the size of that thing. I don't see. That is a funnel. That is a funnel. That is a funnel. So I'm gonna see if I can see what's going on with that and see if I can get him a call. Maybe if I can. Yeah, and they just issue a watch, a yacht watch on that one. So we're looking at a possible of a tornado that could be forming in Oklahoma. So let's go ahead and look at that as well, because I just looked at it really well and see if I can get a hold of him if I can. Because I talked to the other gentleman as well. So let's see. Just really seeing some lowering. So we have that severe thunderstorm warning that's getting ready to be expired in 16 minutes from now. And then we're also tracking a line of this storm that has been shifting. It's getting ready to be moved to some parts of Sapulpa and parts of Broken Arrow. My brother is also going to be including this. So far, that storm is starting to become a lot more serious at this time. So it is moving to it's going to be moving to Bixby. Maybe it could be shifting to Broken Arrow, but I doubt it. And then we're also tracking this storm. Oh my gosh. So this is also shifting too. But right now, as far as I'm concerned, this is Oklahoma too, and this is part of the Panhandle. And I'm just looking at this line of storm, this storm, and then I can see this is a lot lowering right now that I am looking at right now. I'm just really looking at it. And then we also have these line of storms that are in Texas. We get ready to move it to the panhandle of Oklahoma as well. So, and then also we start tracking this storm right here that's in Tulsa is now still under a severe thunderstorm warning in the next 15 minutes. So that severe thunderstorm warning will also be expiring right now. So right now our intensity score is now jumped up to 112. So we're now to 112. 112. All right, we got an alert. We have gotten a alert. So we haven't been. I want to let you know this is now a destructive severe thunderstorm warning that we're wanting to. So let you know this storm is really pretty serious right now. So this is now a destructive severe thunderstorm warning. You know, it's gonna be some high winds, and we're talking about baseball size hail, 60 miles per hour wind. This storm is really extremely dangerous. So please take this very seriously, because this is really pretty bad, pretty bad, bad right now. You know, right now that is a lot of a lowering that we're seeing right now. Hopefully, I can see if I can try to get to maybe talk to him. I don't know if I can. I don't know how he will feel. So, whoa, that's really insane. Look at this. I'm not gonna message him on email him and let him know. That might be a tornado. That I might be seeing right now. All right, we're wanting to go back and look at that cell. What is going on? Stop it. Oh, we did get something. So there was a wall cloud that was reported near Chelsea. So I got an hour, less than 10 minutes to go for that destructive cigarette thunderstorm warning to be expired, along with this cigarette thunderstorm warning will be to be expired. We also got some new cigarette thunderstorm warnings that has just been issued just now. All right, we got another destructive cigarette thunderstorm reported. Wow. So this has been pretty much extended. And then there's been reported of a wall cloud. Stop it. I'm going to close this out. There we go. So far we haven't had any. So good news, this is going to be expire in 3 minutes. And Miss Collinsville, you're good. All right, we got a tornado warning that has been issued for Beaver County. So if you're in that for the following areas, if you are in Clear Lake, these 6 cities, you need to be in your tornado precautions as well. So let's get the map. So I was right about that possible of a tornado that was good, that has been issue. So if you're in those areas, you need to be in your tornado precautions as well. So this is a tornado warning and a destructive severe thunderstorm warning that has been an issue as well. So that is now a tornado warning. There's that funnel. I think that is that funnel cloud right now. You know, and I think I see look at that lowering right there. That is that lowering right there. I'm gonna let him know that about this. That I'm watching it right now, and let him know about what is going on. I think I got his information right now. I think I did, but so that is that tornado warning that has been an issue. So if you're in that area, you need to be in your tornado precautions as well. And I wouldn't be surprised if they called it a confirmed tornado warning as well, because there's some lowering that is going on right now at this time. So I think that's his information. Just make sure. Yeah. Hey, this is also 2001 YouTuber. I've been covering the weather, severe weather coverage. I just saw some of that video. The way I looked at it was a lot. It was lowering. You know, myself is 918-764 5478. And keep up the great work on that. On your Storm Chaser, and I'm looking forward to seeing more on the next video. So stay safe out there. We'll talk soon. Bye. So that is a tornado warning still. We also have this considerable severe thunderstorm warning that has been issued. So the good news is that that severe thunderstorm warning. Also, we have that has now been extended, but it is not. It has now weakening. There's no sign of a tornado, but I could be wrong right here because that right here that was a destructive severe thunderstorm warning. That is a tornado at this moment. So we have now have a tornado warning that has been still been issued, and this one goes in until 5 o'clock this evening. That tornado warning will be expiring around 5 o'clock right now. So I am picking up some wind, which that's some kind of relief. But it is still humid. I'm still at 84% humidity, and then you can see it feels like it is 92 degrees outside, so 10 degrees higher than between the temperature right now. So that's the heat index because it is so humid. And then right now, this like the tomorrow, today and tomorrow will be the last day being in the 80s. It's going to be in the upper 90s as well. Right now, we're talking about some summer temperatures right now. But right now, we see that tornado warning that is still going on right now at this moment. So we have another alert. And that's also we have another tornado warning that's in Ohio right now. We have another brand new tornado warning that is in Ohio right now. Now this is getting ready. This is becoming more far serious at this time. So I'm gonna go look at that. So this is that tornado. So yeah, this is that tornado that is still going. That's going on right now. That's more a great chances of seeing right now. We're not even in the great chance of having a tornado at this moment. So I think we got a confirmed tornado warning because I'm looking at a video image right now. I have a confirmed. And I can see a lot of lowering. I really do. I really think I do see a lot of lowering. Let's go look at the velocity. And look at the size of that thing. This is really, really serious. I think there is a confirmed tornado warning. I think that's going to be a confirmed tornado warning. Because I just saw it on the. I really do. So yeah, that's. So we got about 35 minutes more to go before those two of those tornado warnings, one of that tornado warning to be expired. Two tornado warnings to be expired. See what's going on with this one. Surprised this store hasn't called for a tornado warning, but there is a 50% chance. I think I'm getting some storms, lightning. Lightning and thunder. I'll be right back. Alrighty, we got a confirmed tornado warning. So I did call that right. So we do now have a brand new. So that tornado warning is now confirmed. So this is now a confirmed tornado warning that has been issued at this moment. So it's been actually not issued, upgraded of that tornado warning. So this is a brand new tornado warning that has been issued at this moment. So if you are again, if you're in Clear Lake, Logan, Edmond, Beaver, in Strong, Oklahoma, you need to take cover right now. We have a tornado on the ground doing damage in the panhandle of Oklahoma. at this moment. I am now starting to get some. We are now starting getting some storms are moving in, but they're not severe thunderstorms or not producing not a tornado warning. But right now we do have this confirmed now this confirmed tornado warning that has been issued at this moment. So please take cover. Please do not try to get out and look for it because it's going to be rain wrap. You do not want to be called into it, into it. So people are, storm chasers are in it right now. So because they're in a direct path of it. So right now we still have that destructive severe thunderstorm warning that's going on because of that tornado warning that has been issued. Actually, the destructive severe thunderstorm warning that has been issued before the tornado warning was issued. So that right now that is a confirmed tornado warning, and storm chasers are trying to move out just to get it away from here as much as they can. Because this tornado warning is moving about 24 notches. And they're having cell problems. So I'm only getting this speed. It is near Elmwood, Oklahoma. So that if that helps you, that's going to be north of in Elmwood. So let's go look at the Velocity. See, so there's that possible of that hook right here. That is that confirmed tornado warning. So again, it is in Elmwood. So pretty much between either here or definitely either here and here. So if you're in those areas, you got to take cover right now. And it's really not worth getting caught into it. So because Clear Lake, if you're in Clear Lake, or if you're actually in Clear Lake, you got to take over right now. So again, tornado on the ground, doing damage at that time. So right now I'm starting getting alert that I'm beginning rain within in 20 minutes from now. So I'm guessing that. So going back to my going back to here and looking at this storm. So this is possibly the rain I'll be getting is either in some pulp. Either it goes like right here. So let's play the radar image right now. So that's gonna be that's rain that I'll be getting right now. And also getting these storms are moving in as well. Okay. We got an update. So we have so this severe thunderstorm warning has been upgraded, so just been updated. And we also looking at this cell again right here, that possible of a tornado that could be forming right here. So Oh shoot! All right, I got alert that there was a wall call that was reported in Jinx. So they just issued another severe thunderstorm warning, and it's getting ready to move into Oklahoma. Excuse me. Wow. So that observed tornado warning got 14 more minutes to go before that observed tornado warning that will be expired. Gosh, I hope everybody is okay. All right, good news is that tornado warning that has now been downgraded to a regular tornado warning, so that has been let off a little bit. So that's really good news. But we still have that destructive severe thunderstorm warning that's going to be expiring in less than 30 minutes. We also have this severe thunderstorm warning that will be issued, and then we're also getting ready to track. We're also getting some storms that are moving in and to our location. So right now, I've been getting lightnings. My lightning's been going off like crazy right now. So we also see what the storms are going on right here. And it is getting really dark. Oh, I want to see what's going on right now. So yeah, that's just. Now we're up to 106 lightnings, but no rainfall right now. It's 78 degrees. It is just really beginning to drop down. It's crazy right now. So beginning at 8, it should be letting up right now. I don't see why we have more storms because there's very little to do. So just little, but not much. All right, we got another destructive severe thunderstorm warnings. That tornado warning will be expiring in 10 minutes. And that's also been upgraded to a destructive severe thunderstorm warning. Alright. A few seconds ago. Yeah, flood fires everywhere. So we also have another tornado warning that has been issued. And this is for Beaver City and Libstone County. So it does expand it till. Alright, we're getting rain. We are now getting rain. And that's also been upgraded to considerable severe thunderstorm warning. So we have 3 tornado warnings have been issued. One's getting ready to be expired. And we also have that destructive severe thunderstorm warning will be expired in 18 more minutes. So if you're in these areas, you need to take cover right now. Okay, we got another one right here. And this time it's in Ohio. So that's we got 20 severe thunderstorm warnings. Ready to make it 23. So that tornado warning has now finally to be expired. This one is going to be expired. We still have that one tornado warning that is going on for the next 45 minutes from now. Ooh. That's new. There's stretches warnings. Alright, got a flash flood warning.
Tulsa has issued a flash flood warning for East Central Tulsa County in northeastern Oklahoma until 8:15 p.m. Central Daylight Time. At 5:04 p.m. Central Daylight Time, Doppler radar indicated thunderstorms producing heavy rain across the Warren area. Between 0.5 and 1 inch of rain has fallen. The expected rainfall rate is 1 to 2 inches in 1 hour. Additional rainfall amounts of 0.5 to 1 inch are possible in the Warren area. Flash flooding is ongoing or expected to begin shortly. Expected hazards include flash flooding caused by thunderstorms. Source: radar. The following impacts are expected: flash flooding of small creeks and streams, urban areas, highways, streets, and underpasses, as well as other poor drainage and low-lying areas. Some locations that will experience flash flooding include Tulsa, Broken Arrow, Jenks, Catoosa, Jenks Riverside Airport, Turnaround, Elm Drought when encountering flooded roads. Most flood deaths occur in vehicles.
So that is the flash flood warning that will be expiring at 8:15 p.m. look for quietness. It may not be any severe weather tomorrow. This is probably the last day of it. So all right, we got look at this. We got another extreme danger situation. This is really big concerning. This is a destructive, extreme dangerous situation. But it's severe thunderstorm warning. So this is a baseball, 90 miles per hour winds, baseball size hail. Very likely power outage will be possible. If people are stuck outside, they're gonna get pretty injured big time. These could be like a tornado winds, mobile homes, and high profile vehicles are especially susceptible to wind magnitude. Get to your lowest floor ability. So treat this like this is a tornado warning. You didn't want to be outside. So if you're in Cornet and Gray, Oklahoma, you need to be in your safe spots. Get into your shelters. It's what matters. Alright, I got alert that air flood advisory will remain in effect. Alright, stores are exiting out. So shut this. What's going on with this one? I'm gonna take a little bit of a break. I'll be right back.
you